welcome to Life and Love. Michael got a new toy. It's a radio-controlled speedboat, RC speedboat. Throw in the pond and play with and all that good stuff. It's a Syma Q7 Night. It's got up to 150 meter range, which would be about 450 feet or something like that. Quite a way, more than a football field, and that's plenty far enough. What else did I tell you about it? It's water-cooled engine. It's called the Q7 Night. It's rated for 14 and older. And if it would capsize, be upside down in the water, it does have capsize recovery. Will right side itself back up. So we'll go ahead and start getting it unboxed. Alright, so go ahead and we'll get it unboxed. That out of the way. The 2.4G, for anybody who wants to know any of that. Radio controlled on his manual. Here's the controller, which is exactly the same as the drum control. Well, not exactly, but almost exactly the same design. It's got little things that you can mount onto the boat. Here's the boat itself. Let's go to that. Here's the boat. Got a rudder and all that good stuff, propeller. Got a little outlet here. Got a little outlet right here. And that's for the water-cooled engine. That's to throw the water back out. I'm sure it creates a little drag, but you can adjust that with your controller. Just the same as the drone or the helicopters, where you can orientate them so that they fly right. So it's a pretty cool looking little speedboat. I'm a little older than 14, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a good time playing with it anyway. Now it's got some stuff here. And what this stuff here is, let's get it out. There's the charger for the battery. Got an extra prop and an extra nut, and it even comes with a little wrench. And it's got some oil. Alright, we had to do a little camera adjustment so y'all can see it a little better. But get the battery out here. Here's the battery, and I'm sure it's lithium ion. Lithium poly. Okay. But anyway, here's the battery. Here's the charger. Got a USB. I'm holding it all the way up here. Okay. So here's the battery, and here's the charger. And got a USB end on it, and it's just plugged together. Real simple, like. Supposed to be simple. Simple for smart people, which I don't fall into that category, so. There we go. That's for plugging into the boat itself. So, that's how that works. Yeah, Michael's little toy. And we're going to add more video whenever we get this in the water and really see how good it really works. And tell you about how long the battery life is and how well it performs and all that good stuff. But it seems to be built pretty well. I mean, you know. So, that's it for now on the boat. We'll add on. Thanks for looking in on this one. Alright guys, we got the boat out, playing with it. pretty cool little thing. We're just trying it out in the pool right now. We'll go ahead and go out to where there's a bigger body of water out in the city park or somewhere. This thing is really fast. Check it out. Got removed. It'll also run just kind of by itself. I like it. Pretty cool. What do you think, cameraman Phil?
Yeah, I like it.
Get it out of the city park tomorrow. Got the batteries all charged up and that good stuff. Boy, I can't break it. It's a fast little boat, man. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Whoa.
Pretty fun. Now we need to get a fishing string on it and take it fishing.
Yeah.
Gotta try that.
Yeah.
I seen a video of somebody done that. I want to try it.
Yeah, I seen one too. I thought that was pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Alright folks, we'll head on to more video when we get in the city park and be able to put it in a bigger body of water where we're not going in circles here. So, we'll head on to more video. Okay guys, we finally got to a bigger body of water. We're out here at Bayou St. John in New Orleans. And I got the boat in the water. It's about to take off. So, here we go folks. It's not going real fast. I can kick it up. Yeah, it's got a good bait. Man. Better cut down here in this big water.
Oh yeah.
Really good shot. Got a good range on it too. Yeah, pretty cool, folks. Yeah, we're gonna play for a little bit. We just want to get it out in a big body of water and show y'all. I think this is pretty awesome, man. Like and comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. I'm gonna have some fun.